So you're probably wondering what you're looking at here. This is my Geiger counter project that I've been working on for about the past year. I decided to build this project as I discovered these cheaply available radiation monitor boards on Amazon or AliExpress. And although they, as they stand, they give you a nice clicking sound, like the recognizable sound you hear on movies and TV, they don't really do an awful lot. So I decided to up the ante a bit by connecting this board to a Raspberry Pi, feeding the data into InfluxDB and showing it with Grafana. But then, of course, it needed a fancy case, so I set up on this expedition to build a steampunk-style Geiger counter case, including custom machined brass parts, LEDs, and Nixie tubes. And so everything you see here, pretty much, apart from the copper pipe, is custom made. So that includes the woodwork, the electronics, the Nixie tubes. Well, not the Nixie tubes themselves. The Nixie tubes are from eBay, but the steel plate that they're mounted on and all the brass nameplates are all custom made for this project. My thinking behind the design of the thing was that I wanted to replicate the old style of showing radiation counts. So I found these things called Decatron tubes online. In addition, I added a mechanical counter that's got a servo in the base, and that provides a count that retains even when the thing is not powered on. I tested the counter with a radiation sample from an old gas lamp, which I believe is thorium, and so you'll see me throw that on top of the device and you can see the counters go crazy. I also added a couple of toggle switches so you can flip the sound on and off. So the idea is you can leave this thing powered on a shelf, and then you don't want that clicking away all day long, so you can just flip the sound off. And then the idea is if the background radiation does go crazy, you'll see all the flashing lights and the counter. So yeah, that was my Geiger counter project. Feel free to check out the blog post where I've got a whole load more photos and a build guide. And thanks for watching.